Your reports will print in the spreadsheet order unless grouping and subtotaling is added to a report. You can group by multiple criteria. Use the arrows to make one set of grouping a higher or lower priority. If no sort is selected, the report will still group in by spreadsheet order. That may cause multiple groups of the same information if your spreadsheet isn't sorted by the same criteria. Keep Together will keep the header with at least one line item. Adding in a header will let you label your groups. Adding a footer is a good place to add in a subtotal. Tagging info can be found in the Detail tab. Subtotals can be found using the Greek letter sigma. Draw a box about the size you want for your subtotal. Adding in some colors or theming can help make your section stand out. Try adding a color to the whole section. Use Preview to view your changes.